Welcome to Spring LIB.
Okay, we need to select an example whose particles are disordered and farther apart, but still interact. Okay, so first we've got cellulose in a plant. And I'm going to say no. This is a solid. And cellulose shows a great deal of order. Right? Cellulose in a plant looks something like this. It's just a bunch of rings all connected, but it has a regularly repeating pattern. It is not disordered, and the molecules aren't far apart. They're actually all pretty much connected. Graphite found in pencil lead. That's also going to be a no. Once again, we're talking about a solid here, and we're talking about a rigidly ordered solid. Right? Graphite is just a big network of six-membered rings. Very ordered. And also, touching. They're not farther apart. And so, no, not graphite. Next, we have helium in a gas balloon or liquid ammonia. And I'm going to say yes, helium in a balloon is probably the best answer, right? We know that it's a gas, right? So that tells us that it's disordered. And also, gases don't rest in contact unless they're under a great amount of pressure, at which point they'll start becoming liquid anyway. However, gases in a balloon still do interact, right? They're not. They've been confined to some sort of space, so they can't just fly away from each other infinitely, right? So I'm going to say helium in a balloon is the best answer. Next, we have liquid ammonia. Now, liquid ammonia is to some extent disordered, right? It's not the best example, though, of disorder, right? Because remember, liquid ammonia is capable of hydrogen bonding. Right, so there is some order to liquid ammonia in solution. It's not totally randomly oriented like helium in a balloon is. And because of this hydrogen bonding and the hydrogen bonding networks that form in liquids capable of hydrogen bonding, these particles aren't that far apart, right? They're in contact with each other much of the time. And they do definitely interact, but I think because of the other two criteria, helium and balloon is probably the best answer. Second best answer would be liquid ammonia, and then these cellulose and graphite are equally bad answers.